In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Etsy seller support. If you're selling on Etsy, there will eventually be a time when you need direct help from their support team, whether it's about your shop, payments, listings, or account issues. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to reach Etsy seller support through the official help center and send them an email with all the details they need. First, make sure you're logged into your Etsy account. Then, go to your Etsy Shop Manager dashboard. You can usually get there by clicking on the Shop Manager button from the main Etsy homepage once you're signed in. This is your main control panel as a seller, so it's the best starting point. Once you're in Shop Manager, look for the Help option. This is often located along the side or top navigation. Click on Help, and from the menu or pop-up that appears, choose the option that takes you to the Etsy Help Center. You'll now be on the Help Center page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. There you'll see a link or button that says Contact Etsy Support. Click on that to start the process of getting in touch. On the contact page, you'll see different categories. Since you're a seller, select Selling on Etsy. This tells Etsy that your question or issue is related specifically to your shop activities. Next, Etsy will ask you to narrow things down. You'll see a list of topics, such as account issues, payments, listings, orders, and so on. Click on the option that best matches what you need help with. After that, Etsy may ask you to be even more specific, so choose the most accurate subtopic again. Taking a moment to pick the right category helps route your request to the right support team. Often, Etsy will show some suggested articles. If those don't solve your problem, look for and click on the option that says, I still need help. This confirms that you want to contact support directly. You'll now see contact methods. Choose Email Us. This opens a form where you can send a detailed message. Click into the subject line field and type a short, clear subject that summarizes your issue, like payout on hold or trouble publishing listings. Then, in the description field, explain the problem in more detail. Include relevant order numbers, dates, what you've already tried, and any error messages you've seen, but avoid adding any sensitive personal information. If you have screenshots or documents that help explain the issue, click on Add File and upload them. Visuals can make it easier for support to understand what's going on. Once you've filled everything in and attached any files, review your message for clarity. When you're ready, click on Send. Etsy will create a support ticket and follow up with you by email, so keep an eye on your inbox.